In this video, I'm going to show you how to make polls on Discord. So what you want to do is be inside any Discord server and go down here to where you can message, press on this little plus icon over here, then press create poll, and then there we go, you can create a poll in here. So you want to give in a question. So what question do you want to ask? Let's say we want what do you like more? And then you have the possible answers. Okay, so let's say the first answer is pizza, and the second answer is, let's say, hamburger. Okay, there we go. Now you can delete specific answers if you'd like to, just like I did, or add another answer, but there always must be at least one answer. Okay, so let's say I want to type in again pizza, and then let's say pasta. There we go. And then you can select the duration. So by default, it's going to be set at 24 hours, but you can go from 1 hour to 4, 8, 24, and then 3 days and 1 week. So 1 week is the maximum duration. And then you can also allow multiple answers. So if this is unchecked, the users can only vote for one of these three things, but if this is checked, they can vote for all things. So yeah, that basically is it, and it makes perfect sense. Now you want to click on post, and that's done. The users in the server can then kind of check and therefore select what they agree the most with. So let's say I want to click in pizza and hamburger and then press vote. And there we go. As you can see, the votes are now in. You can also remove votes by clicking over here, or you can completely delete your entire poll by going over here to more and then pressing delete message down here and then clicking delete. There we go. The poll is no longer there. Now I'm going to show you a little something, okay? So in case you are in a server that uses this poll blocker, okay, it may happen that you may not be able to create polls at all, okay? So if you click on this plus icon and then press create a poll, type something in, click post, it may happen that you are blocked from creating polls. Now this is because this bot called poll blocker may be added to the server, and since people like to spam these polls a lot, the owner of your server may have added this in and kind of managed the entire thing. So if that's it and you can't create poll because you get that message that you've just seen, so let me show you again. It's this message. The only thing you can pretty much do is to ask the server owner if they can give you the permission, if they can whitelist you, and if they do that, that's cool. But if they don't want to do this, you kind of cannot create polls on that server. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and I'll catch you in the next one.